This is an older Acer Aspire laptop model V3 p that I salvaged from our shelf. This is with a touchscreen but a sluggish RAM at only 4 gigabytes. Here's how to upgrade the RAM with an 8 gigabytes memory card in 1 minute. Opening the back cover is a breeze after removing the 13 screws. Detach the battery cable and other peripheral cables from the motherboard and the hard drive by just pulling it from the board. Take out 4 screws of the motherboard as indicated by an arrow. Flip the motherboard and you can see the single slot memory card under it. This Aspire model is upgradable up to 8 gig of RAM. I bought the Samsung made in the Philippines DDR3 card at 2,500 pesos and tack it to the slot. Rebooting takes some time as the system will update itself. After that, a significant increase in speed can be noted on your Aspire V3. Subscribe to High Tech Tabay for more tutorial videos.